Hey guys, welcome you all to my channel ProTrack Learn to Grow. Here in this video, we are going to discuss like and unlike fractions, and also we will learn how to convert unlike fractions to like fractions. So let's get started. First, we are having like fractions. So what are like fractions? Like fractions are those when two or more fractions have same denominators, they are said to be like fractions. It means when you are given with a pair of fraction or with a group of some fractions and they are having same denominators, they are said to be as like fractions. Here you can see in the example 2 upon 15, 4 upon 15, 7 upon 15. All the fractions have same denominators, hence these types of fractions are known as like fractions or considered as like fractions. Okay, so let's proceed. Now we are having unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay, it is just reverse of like fraction. In like fractions we were having same denominators, and here we have different denominators. Means when we are given with a pair or group of some fractions and they are having different denominators, they are termed as unlike fractions. Okay, here you can see in the example 2 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 7 upon 8. Here all the denominators are different, hence they are termed as unlike fractions. Okay, now if we have like fraction then it is okay, but it gets complicated when we have unlike fractions. Not much complicated, but when we are given with unlike fractions, first we have to convert those unlike fractions into like fraction and then we proceed. So let's see how to convert unlike fractions to like fractions. So now let's see the conversion, how to convert unlike fraction to like fractions. Okay, it can be done into two steps. Okay, first step is find the LCM of denominators of all the given fractions. All the fractions given to us, we have to take the denominators and we have to find out the LCM in the first step, and in the second step convert all the given fractions into equivalent fractions. Please understand this very carefully, all the given fractions into equivalent fractions. Okay, you know how to calculate equivalent fractions. We use multiplication for equivalent fractions. In the last video we have learned how to find out the equivalent fractions for a given fractions. Okay, so for an equivalent fraction we use multiplication or division, but generally we use multiplication, and here also we will use multiplication for getting the equivalent fractions. And equivalent fractions having the denominator equal to the LCM obtained, and we have to make the denominator of all the fractions equal to the LCM obtained in the first step. Okay, so let's make it clear with the question. Okay, so let's start the question. Here in this question you are given with the three fractions. Okay, three fractions are 3 by 4, 4 by 9, 5 by 12. First of all we will calculate the LCM. First step was calculating LCM of all the denominators. Denominators are 4, 9 and 12. These are denominators. Okay, we will take out the LCM. First of all we will find the LCM, so we will use 2 first. 2 2s are 4. 9 cannot be divided by 2, so it will written as same. 2 6 are 12. Okay, again we can use 2 here. 2 1s are 2. 9 cannot be divided, so it will be written as same. And 2 3s are 6. Now you can see we can use 3 now, okay, to divide and to get 1 3. So 3, this one will be written as same 1. Okay, let me erase this first. So 3, this will be 3 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now this 3 is remaining, we will use one more 3 to make it 1. So this will be written as 1. 3 1s are 3 and 1. Hence for LCM what do we do? LCM is equal to, okay, LCM is equal to 2 all the factors. Okay, we will multiply all the factors together now. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so it will give us 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and 12 into 3 gives us 36. Hence, the LCM for these denominators is 36. Now, second step, according to second step, we have to find out the equivalent fractions for these given fractions, and we have to make the denominators same. Okay, so now here we will not use the natural number as we were using in equivalent fractions. We have to guess which number should be multiplied to get, which number should be multiplied by 4 to get. We have to make equivalent to LCM, right? We have to make the denominator equal to LCM obtained in the first step. This was the first step, this was first step. So the LCM obtained in first step should be equal to the denominators for new fractions we are making, and those new fractions will be equivalent to the given fractions. Okay, these given fractions. Hence, what should be multiplied to 4 so that we can get 36? Okay, so 4 should be multiplied by 9 to get 36. Okay, now numerator and denominator should be multiplied with same non-zero number. Hence, we will multiply the numerator, that is 3, by 9 also. So 9 threes are 27, and if we reduce this fraction, we will get again the same fraction, that is 3 by 4. Hence, these two are equivalent. 3 by 4 is equivalent to 27 by 36. Hence, we got the first fraction. Now we will apply the same thing with second fraction too, that is 4 by 9. Now we have to guess what should be multiplied by 9 to get 36. What should be multiplied by 9 to get 36? So 9 fours are 36, so you will use 4 here. 9 4 and into 4 is equal to 36. Then we have to multiply the numerator by 4 too. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16, and when we will reduce 16 by 36, we will again get 4 by 9, and last is 5 by 12. Let me do it here. The last fraction is 5 by 12 here. So what should be multiplied with 12 to get 36? We have to find out. Okay, what should be multiplied with 12 to get 36? So 12 into 3 gives us 36. Hence, here we will also multiply 5 by 3, and 5 into 3 gives us 15 by 36. Now you can see here the obtained fractions. Obtained fractions are 27 by 36, and next is 16 by 36, and the last one is 15 by 36. Now you can clearly see all the denominators are same for all the fractions. Hence, they are like fractions now. So this is how we convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay, this much for this video. Thanks for watching.